In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Loox reviews on Shopify. Now, if we check my store right here, we can see that the Loox reviews, widgets, and badges are nowhere to be found. Typically, they should be around here on the right side of the screen. Even if we check our products, it should be around here. So now what we're going to do is to try to set that up. So the first thing we need to do is to head to our dashboard right here. Then on the search bar, we're just going to look for the Loox app. So as you can see right here, I already have it installed, but if you haven't yet, you can just go ahead and give it a search on the Shopify App Store and follow the installation process. You can get it for free. Once you have it, just pull it up. So we give that a click. And then the dashboard should look something like this. So currently, the Loox reviews core script is still disabled, so we're going to try to enable that. So we're going to go ahead and click on this. It should take us to a new page. This is going to be the customization area of the theme. Now it says here, Loox core script is activated. And this is also the indicator right here. If this toggle button is filled black, it means it's enabled. If it's gray, then it's disabled. So since we already gone ahead and enabled it, we can just go ahead and click save. Now what we're going to do is go back to our store page, try to refresh it. As you can see, there's these widgets over here on the right side. If we click our product, we should be able to find them there as well. And if we click on reviews, it's going to look like this. So let's try writing a review. Say, for example, I'm the buyer who ordered this product and I gave it 4 stars. So you can choose to add photos to it so that you can get a 10% discount on your next purchase. For now, we're going to skip that. And I'm just going to type here, I loved the material, something like that. You can give your name here. Maybe I'm just going to type in a random name. Randall Stanford. And then use a random email just to show you how it looks like. And just like that, the review is submitted. Let's try to check that out. Pull up the reviews here. And there you go. The more reviews you get for the certain product you're selling, the more this section gets filled up. And that's about it. That's how we set up Loox reviews on Shopify. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.